Zuzena, and today's video is going to be a video where, you know how usually in my wig review videos I'm usually showing you how I install my wigs and I show you guys the beautiful wig. So this time I'm actually gonna be washing a wig for the very first time. I've never ever washed a wig before, so I'm really excited to be trying it out on camera with you guys for the first time ever. So I have this beautiful wig on right now. Like, guys, look at how beautiful it is. Look at how silky shiny it is. Oh my gosh. And that's gonna be the test, guys, because, you know, I've never washed a wig before because I've been scared to wash it and like the natural shine, bounce, softness go away. So right now we're gonna be putting to the test the quality of the wig after we've washed it. Let's take a minute to appreciate how beautiful this wig is and how long it is, guys. Look. It says right here, 100% premium Japan made synthetic fibers, lightweight, fashion, easy wear, comfortable wig. Do not use hot water to clean the wig. You can wash it with normal shampoo and general conditioner, and we love that. So yeah, be careful, guys. Don't put it in hot water and just use your normal shampoo and conditioner. Girl, you could use that cheap shampoo and conditioner, because I'm not gonna lie, my shampoo is a little bit expensive, so I kind of like think it before using it. So I'm happy to know that I'm able to use just any normal shampoo and conditioner on my wig, and that way I'm able to save my normal shampoo and conditioner. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? After washing, do not use a hair dryer. So don't use a hair dryer, okay? Okay. We will not use a hair dryer, and it's better to use a dry towel to blot up the excess water and avoid direct sunlight. So we're just gonna follow the rules and we're just gonna towel dry our hair. That's what I do. Love that. Don't have to do any extra step I'm not used to doing already. The wig is called the Ollie Mae 28-inch black wigs in the shade Natural Black. And pause. Without further ado, subscribe down below by hitting that red subscribe button. Please make that red subscribe button gray and hit that post notification bell button right next to the subscribe button, so that way you're notified every single time I upload. Sort of like a little text message saying ding 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 ding. Pink Eyes 13 just posted a new video, and give this video a huge thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family, so that way you could share with them this beautiful wig. Or let's say you were recently talking to them about how about washing wig tips, and since this is my first time washing wig, let me know in the comments down below as well any wig washing tips you have as well for both synthetic and real hair wigs, because I do have both, guys. This is how many wigs I have, guys, and I love my wigs so much. Styling your hair, like for me, flattening my hair could take up to like 4 hours, and then like the everyday like daily touches up, so like, you know, that's like every day, like minimum like 15 to 20 minutes just doing your hair. So if I could just easily like put my hair in a wig cap and throw in a wig and call it a day, we love that. You know what I love the most about this wig, guys, is that the bangs are like literally the perfect length. Look, guys, they like come up to my eyebrows, give me eye space, they don't bother my eyes, they don't anything. They do a little cute little swoosh, and like you see, so beautiful. I love it. Perfect bang length. Yeah, guys, really recommend you guys check out this wig. Link in the description box down below. So let's start to wash our wig. Guys, the ring light literally fell on my head, and my phone like literally hit like right here on my head, and I thank God, because like, you know, it's dangerous to get hit in the head. I had that accident, and in all honesty, I am kind of scared because it's not good. So I've been like you know, massaging my head, I've been scratching it, like, you know, let blood circulate. But you know, you gotta move on. Oh, guys, I didn't even tell you the main reason to why I'm going to be washing the wig. So the main reason for why I'm going to be washing the wig is because I went to Cheddar's the other day to eat, and I used a wig for the first time there, and I was eating a chocolate cake. It's a really good chocolatey cake, and my hair literally, since it's so long, when I reached over to go get a piece of hair literally got stuck onto the cake, and then when I noticed I had cake on my hair, and then I was just like, I can't put this back in the packaging where I store my wigs because then the sugar, it's gonna get all melty on the wig and the wig packaging, and then my packaging is gonna get really sticky, and then the wig is just gonna get sticky. So I was just like, let me just wash it before I damage where I store my wig. So let's just start off with damping the hair. So now that we got this a little bit damp, we start off with shampoo. I want to assume that we shampoo the same way, but since this isn't like real natural hair, I'm not sure if we're supposed to shampoo all the hair or just the roots, you know, like normal shampoo. Since this isn't real hair, let's just do all the hair, in all honesty. No, okay, so let's just grab this and let's, you know, do this. Suds it all up. You know. Okay, we gotta wash the bangs. I think this is good, right? It's sudsy everywhere. So I think we could start to wash out the shampoo. And it's still looking shiny, guys. Look, look, look. I removed the shampoo and it's still looking shiny. Look, guys, look, guys, look, guys, look, guys. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, okay, okay. I see you, Ollie Mae. I see you. Now it's time to use our conditioner. It's really good, you know, it's to make it soft. So we're gonna put a lot of conditioner on to make it soft again, you know. Let's start conditioning, guys. Maybe I put on a little too much, but you know, it's all for the good of the wig, because you know, the more conditioner the merrier. Conditioner everywhere. You know, the bangs are really important because you know that's like what's literally on my face, so I need to make sure the bangs look good. So yeah, I would so love like a wig master class, you know, that would be awesome. Like, yeah, like wig master class, I'd look into that. So you know, I'm just gonna leave it here, guys, let it sit in conditioner for a while, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so I let the wig sit like 6 to 7 minutes in conditioner, so I think it's time to rinse it out now. This is my mom's shampoo, so now my wig is gonna smell like my mom. Do you guys like know your mom's like scent? Like my mom, she's been using the same shampoo and conditioner for literally years now. So like I could literally like know when it's my mom based on like fragrance on hair. Cause my mom, she loves to use a lot of shampoo and conditioner. So like her hair always smells really, really good, guys. So like I'm easily able to recognize my mom's hair scent, and I don't see any suds, so I think that this is it, guys. Yeah, so I'm gonna put her in a towel because it says the towel dry, and now we just gotta wait. So I'm just gonna grab my towel, guys, and I'm just gonna put her in my towel, rinse out the excess water like that. This is what I'm scared of. Look at how the wig looks right now. Oh my goodness, you know, so that way like she dries faster instead of just like plopping her in there in the towel. So that's enough drying. Let's just put her like this, like a little baby. Let's cover you up. Let's cover you up. Yeah, that's it. Oh yeah, let's just leave her like this and we'll check on her tomorrow morning. Since it was so wet, I knew that it would be impossible for the wig to actually dry because like it was wet when you touched it like this. And since you know how things aren't like laid out to dry, like hung to dry, and it's like all clumped up, it's impossible for something to dry. It'll take days to dry. So that is why I switched the wig to a dry towel to assure that it would actually dry, because if not, the wig would have never dried. So now it's time for the reveal. Coconut break. Okay, look, my dad just opened a coconut and I like it because it's really sweet and has a lot of water. Hear it. It's really good for kidneys. So drink coconut water for healthy kidneys. Okay. 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 Oh my goodness, guys. Okay, so yeah, perfect. It completely dried. You see? Guys, no cap. I'm really shook, guys. Okay, so let me just like finger comb it because I don't have a wig pick. Guys, I'm shook. Look at the shininess. I'm like genuinely shook because this is synthetic hair. So I'm just like, I didn't know like after synthetic hair after being washed, it still holds up, you know, the original shape, the original shine. I'm just like, guys, this is my hair, and then look at the synthetic wig. Literally just as shiny as natural hair. Look, my hair, this after washing synthetic hair still has that new wig shine to it, and I'm just like, whoa, okay, I see you. Okay guys, I finished finger combing the hair, and I want you guys to look at how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh, guys, look at it. And it's still just as soft. Look. And look at the inside. It remains intact. Look at the inside. I have a beard. That shine as it moves. Guys, if you want to have that beautiful hair that you see in movies that the supermodels have, like poosh. You gotta get these, guys. You gotta get these. So yeah, guys, that's the end of this video. Hi, it's me again. Okay guys, so you're probably confused to why am I in my bathroom again and why am I doing my outro in my bathroom. But in the time that I was letting the wig, like, you know, sit in the conditioner, do like a little deep conditioning to the wig to assure it goes back to its normal state. So this is me from the past, and I'm here to give you the outro. I was like, let me just do the outro right now as the wig is sitting in conditioner. So thank you so very much, guys. God bless you. I'll see you very soon if God permits. I truly appreciate you for sticking all the way until the end of this video. I hope you guys love the results. Oh my god, guys. So like future me is gonna know the results of the wig, so I'm really excited to see ya. And yeah, but going back to my past self, we're shook.